Good day. I'm Oda, President of TOSHIBA TEC Singapore. Our company is an OEM/ODM solution provider for printers, terminals, and other information processing equipment for various industries. We also offer TOSHIBA brands MFP, barcode printers, post system, and self-service kiosk. We put concern for the environment as a priority in all our business activities. Protect the environment and natural resources through reduction of energy, waste, water, chemical, and conservation of biodiversity. I would like to introduce some of the environmental related activities in our operation.
As biodiversity is an important part of environmental protection, our company started to work on biodiversity conservation in collaboration with Singapore Authority for Long-Term Conservation Measure of the Park.
In the year 2012, we started to work with the Singapore authorities on a rehabilitation of wildlife project at Ang Mo Kio Town Garden West. The extinct species Oriental pied hornbill was brought to aviary housing for the hornbill to adapt to the environment and start breeding. Young birds are raised until they are old enough before being released into nature. Soon after, Oriental pied hornbills were spotted in the Ang Mo Kio Garden West and around the housing estate. To date, we have observed 41 species in both Ang Mo Kio Town Garden East and West. In the year 2016, Singapore started the Citizen Science Program, which broadly approaches the public besides the corporate sector. Citizen science refers to research collaboration between scientists and volunteers to increase opportunities for data collection and community engagement for biodiversity survey and nature education. Our company decided to join the Citizen Science Program.
Why add on butterfly survey on top of bird survey?
Butterflies are sensitive to environmental change. Scientists look to them as a signal that indicates the health of the environment. An increase or decrease of their diversity will tell us about the changing quality of the flora and the impact of that change on other animals.
Since 2016, we have observed 14 species in both Ang Mo Kio Town Garden East and West.
With regular survey and repeated data collections, this would build our understanding of native bird and butterflies population and distribution. This information will enable Singapore Authority to make better environmental conservation and management measures.
Our company have been putting in effort to promote waste minimization through 3R concept. We have successfully reduced office paper usage through implementation of electronic documentation system. We also collaborate with our business partners to conserve natural resources, for example, reduction of packaging materials.
Since the year 2011, we have been participating in the Singapore Packaging Awards, a joint initiative by government, industry, and NGOs to reduce packaging waste. To date, we have accumulated reduction of 220 tons of wooden pallet and carton boxes of packaging waste.
You saw a lot of effort to put on to reduce packaging waste. What are the benefits then from those projects?
Through usage of sustainable resources in packaging, we reduced our demand on resources needed for its disposal. Delivery quantity per trip will also maximize, so as we can achieve conservation of natural resources such as waste, diesel, and reduce environmental impact.
We know that e-waste is toxic. Improper disposal of e-waste leads to environmental pollution, and this may in turn harm human health. During annual e-waste collection, we educate our employees on proper disposal of used electronic equipment at work and at home.
How does this program benefit you?
I have learned the importance of e-waste recovery, so I encourage my families and friends to have a proper e-waste disposal.
TOSHIBA has initiated the Carbon Balance Project to reduce the amount of CO2 released into the atmosphere. For our company, we contribute the e-waste recycling fund to the TOSHIBA Carbon Balance Project to promote tree planting.
By doing a series of waste segregation and recycling activities, we We hope to increase the awareness of employees' engagement and ownership of environmental sustainability in Singapore.